Hi everyone, it is Tuesday. I'm here just to kind of get you started on the 7.6 Practice A odds. So hopefully you viewed the Anytime Math video about how to solve addition and subtraction inequalities. It's very similar to our work that we did with equations, where you're going to use the inverse operation, the opposite operation, to isolate the variable, get the variable by itself. Once you've done that, you're left with one of those simple statements we saw in lesson 7.5 of just n being compared to a number or p or whatever letter it is, okay? So I'm here just to get you started on questions 1 and 3, the first two questions of today's assignment, and I'll send a video later on today that corrects all of them for you, okay? So looking at number 1, we have the statement of n minus 9 is greater than or equal to 2. So right now, what's happening to 9? What's happening to n? 9's being taken away from it. So what we want to do is we want to use the inverse operation, the opposite operation. We're going to add 9, not just here, but to the other side of the inequality as well. Okay, we saw that in the Anytime video as well, where he was doing the same thing to both sides to keep it a true statement. Okay, so we will add 9 here. We will add 9 here. Now what happens is this minus 9 plus 9 cancel out, just like with equations. It's like it never happened, okay? So I'm going to bring the n down. I'm going to keep my symbol facing the same way, and then we have this 9 plus 2 is 11, okay? We would then be left with graphing that, okay? The dot would be opened or closed, closed, and it would be at 11, okay? So we would want our graph to reflect that n is greater than or equal to 11. Okay, looking at number 3, same thing. What's happening to p? 1/4 is being added to it. So we need to take 1/4 away here, but also here. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 1/4. I'm going to subtract 1/4. These cancel out. It's like it never happened. Add 1/4, take 1/4 away. Never happened. P is less than 5/4 minus 1/4 is 4/4, which is the same as the number 1. Okay, 4/4 is a whole. So what you would do when graphing this is you would have an open dot at 1, and you would be graphing that p is less than 1. Okay, so check your email later. I will have an answer key, a video, an answer key to all of the different questions. And like always, email me with any questions that you might have. Have a good one.